Welcome to another exclusive rural property opportunity, brought to you by BG House, your trusted connection to life in the peaceful Bulgarian countryside. Today, we're inviting you to explore a charming small holding for sale for €29,900, nestled in the welcoming village of Zavetno, just a short 15-minute drive from the lively market town of Popovo, in northeastern Bulgaria. While often referred to as a farm, this property is more accurately described as a small holding, a perfect countryside retreat offering enough space for self-sufficiency, hobby farming, or simply enjoying the slower pace of rural life. It's ideal for those seeking to grow their own vegetables, raise a few animals, or simply retreat to peace and quiet surrounded by nature and birdsong. Let's take a closer look at what this unique Bulgarian property for sale has to offer. The property sits on a generous 1,430 square meters of land, providing a lovely balance between manageable upkeep and ample outdoor space. You'll find mature fruit trees, plenty of room for a garden or small greenhouse, and various outbuildings that hold potential for renovation and creative use. At the heart of the property is the main residential building. It's a traditional Bulgarian village home, built with charm and character in mind. Inside, there are 3 rooms plus a corridor, enough space to create a comfortable bedroom, a cozy sitting area, and even a small office or guest room. Like many authentic village homes, this property will need some modernization and TLC. That's where the potential really begins. Whether you're a seasoned DIY or want to hire help, there's an opportunity to shape this home into your personal countryside sanctuary. Attached to the main house is an adjoining structure with 2 additional rooms. These could be transformed into a summer kitchen, extra bedrooms, a studio space, or even a rental unit for guests. Now, outside is where the dream of rural living truly comes to life. The outbuildings, while in varying condition, provide the ideal setup for chickens, goats, rabbits, or even a pony or 2. These structures could be repurposed into barns, workshops, or storage areas. And with some imagination, this small holding can become a thriving little homestead, full of character and life. The garden is flat and spacious, offering views of the gentle Bulgarian landscape. There's a sense of openness and simplicity here that's hard to put into words. It's something you'll want to see and feel for yourself. The village of Zavetno is peaceful, safe, and surrounded by nature. Life here is quiet but connected, with friendly neighbors, a slow rhythm, and traditional values. It's perfect for anyone looking to escape the noise of city life and enjoy fresh air, homegrown produce, and honest living. From Zavetno, you're just an hour away from Veliko Tarnovo or Ruse, and only 15 minutes from Popovo, where you'll find shops, banks, a hospital, and other essential services. One of the most attractive features of this property is its price, a rare opportunity for those on a budget who still want to own land and create something meaningful. Whether you're dreaming of a self-sustaining lifestyle, a quiet retirement escape, or a holiday home with authentic charm, this small holding is a fantastic starting point. And here's where Nyama Problemi Ltd can make all the difference. We understand that buying and maintaining a Bulgarian property, especially from abroad, can feel overwhelming. That's why our team at BG House offers a full suite of support services to make your experience as easy and stress-free as possible. Through Nyama Problemi Ltd, we offer utility bill management, ensuring your water and electricity are connected and always paid on time. Property inspections, keeping your home safe and monitored when you're not there. Ongoing maintenance, from small repairs to major renovations. Garden care and land services, to keep your outdoor spaces thriving. And even translation help, support with official documents, and friendly advice anytime you need it. Think of us as your local hands, eyes, and ears, always ready to help, whether you're in Bulgaria or managing things from abroad. So, if this small holding in Zavetno catches your interest, don't just scroll by. Take the next step. Imagine waking up to fresh mountain air, collecting eggs from your own hens, picking apples from your trees, or sitting outside in the shade of your barn, listening to birdsong and feeling the warm sun on your face. It's not a fantasy, it's a very real opportunity, and it starts with one conversation. Visit us at BG House or contact our team to arrange a virtual viewing or in-person tour. We'll walk you through every part of the property, the good, the bad, even the bits that need a bit of work. Because that's what we do, we keep it real. We're proud to help people find their place in the Bulgarian countryside. And we'd love to help you do the same. Remember, this isn't just a property. It's a chance to create a new way of life, rooted in nature, simplicity, and freedom. So come see this lovely Bulgarian small holding for sale in Zavetno. With Nyama Problemi Ltd by your side, you won't just be buying land. You'll be gaining peace of mind, friendly local support, and a beautiful future in the heart of Bulgaria. Let us help you turn this dream into your reality.